Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll learn how to filter data in Power BI to include rows where a column contains specific text. Start by opening the Power Query Editor through the Transform Data option under the Home tab. Next, choose the appropriate table from the list of loaded tables and preview the data to ensure you're working on the correct one. Once confirmed, locate the column you want to filter, for example, the Class column, and click the drop-down button at the top. Hover over Text Filters and select Contains. In the dialog box, enter the text you want to filter by, such as B, and click OK. Power Query will filter the data to include only rows where the column contains the specified text. Don't forget to rename this step in the Applied Steps pane for easy future reference. Finally, click Close and Apply to load the filtered data into your Power BI report. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and thank you for watching.